Hey guys, I just got these really cute butterfly window clings and I'm going to go ahead and put them on the window to just show you how easy these are to apply. So they come in a big pack of several different kinds, but they have several that are very similar. This is four that I chose from the pack to put up on the window for you. So I went ahead and pulled back a piece of the plastic so that you could get the window cling. Can you guys see that? This little decorative butterfly. Now we've already sprayed and wet the window, so now we're going to go ahead and apply it. And just like that, the little window cling is ready to go. Now they are not stickers, they are window clings. So they're going to stick to a window but not to your fingers. Here's another one that I really like. Now it's going to be a little hard to see on camera here because I have a white background. But if there was a clear background, I think you'd be able to see them a little bit better. Try protecting the birds from hitting your window, or maybe you're decorating. Here's another one. Let's see. They're very large size, about the size of the palm of my hand. They have some details in them, which I really like. And we can put another one up here. Really easy to put on. I think you guys are really going to like these. There's so many that come in the container. You can put them out however you want. You can unstick them and restick them if you decide you want them in a different layout. I think you guys are really going to love this. So if you're looking for these really cute butterfly window clings, this is definitely a good product. You want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.